Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little gear review. If you use soft shackles, you pretty much need one of these. This is a 2-inch soft shackle receiver adapter. You can find them at brennan'sgarage.com. Google it, it'll come up. So if you're using soft shackles, your goal is to be efficient and safe already. So this makes soft shackles that much more safe and that much more efficient. And yeah, this thing is really, really cool. So basically this soft shackle stays connected to the adapter. You slide it in the receiver, stick the pin in, and you're good to go. What's really cool about this, you can pull at pretty much a 90-degree angle in any direction, and that's huge. The biggest danger to soft shackles are sharp edges, and with this thing you avoid all sharp edges. We're going to take the soft shackle out and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, here it is, guys. It's really cool. So this has a really large diameter on the inside, bigger than a pin, so that increases the life of this soft shackle tremendously. It disperses the energy around that radius instead of focusing it in kind of on a tight spot. Yeah, it's designed specifically for soft shackles. Now this baby is 5-axis machine from 6061 T6 aluminum, the good stuff. Hey buddy. The soft shackle it comes with is a Yankum rope soft shackle, and the best part about this thing is that it's made in the US of A. Another really cool thing about this, Brennan, who makes these, is an ex-wildland firefighter, and this is actually decommissioned fire hose. I think that's so cool. I used to be a wildland firefighter. So Brennan, I love this. So an important note, we are not sponsored by Brennan's Garage. We are not making any commission off these. I just think that this is really cool, and this is gonna go on our off-road gear playlist for sure. And if you use soft shackles, get one of these adapters. Increases safety, increases the overall life of your soft shackle. And yeah, increases efficiency as well, super easy to use. Like I said earlier, brennan'sgarage.com is where you get these. Go support Brennan, he's an ex-wildland firefighter. All right guys, that's it for me. If you ain't getting stuck, you ain't trying hard enough, all right? brennan'sgarage.com. Go get yourself one of these if you use soft shackles. Man, this thing is cool.